Hey there, my name is Zachary Bernard. I'm the founder of We Future PR. In today's video, I wanted to show you a new platform that our company has recently discovered and is actually used for ourselves to land placements in publications such as The Entrepreneur, The Grit Daily, Medium, and a few others. So this is essentially a similar platform such as HARO, or also known as Connectively, which I believe is the new name for the platform. And what this allows you to do is use this platform to answer a question from journalists, contributors at various publication, and really is the exact same function as a HARO or Connectively again, but you have way more chances of actually landing placements. I think that we've probably I personally used this for I think a month or so, and I was able to land two, three, even actually six placements in total. If you check, I've been able to land one, two features in Entrepreneur, two in Grid Daily, one in Interview Focus, one in Medium. So that was actually a few months back. I actually have another account, but I want to show you from this one. And just by answering questions that I have expertise in, I was able to land these placements for nothing, for completely free. So if you're really trying to find a platform that is not gonna take you too much time to answer, or you're not gonna have to reach out to a bunch of journalists, get coverage, etc., that is another way that you can actually get free press and media hits. So the way that this functions is pretty much the same functionality such that Connectively. You'll have all the questions you can answer, and you'll see what publication, which website, when the deadline is, and you're able to select what actual answer that you want to answer. For example, there's 605 requests at the moment, and you can filter them by if they're newer requests. It's the most newer request. And what I like to do is really just quickly use the 500 euros per page. It typically is going to take a little bit to load, but if you scroll down just the bottom, what you can do is if you have any specific topics that you're an expert on that you want to be able to speak to, you can just do Control F and search the entire thing. Or another way, which I believe you can literally just use the search function here. So for example, if I wanted to speak on a topic relevant to marketing, I would just search marketing in here, and you'll see that all these over here are all essentially submission that I can answer and potentially get featured in. So for example, if I wanted to get on a good publication, I could scroll down trying to find a really good one known. It seems that marketing wise, there might not be too much of those. So what you could use if you wanted to expand the search, you could just try to find a big publication. So for example, I have an entrepreneur.com one. So how do you make passive income? Please share the specific venture, how you got started. So if you were to run a blog, for example, you could answer this question. So the way I like to look at it, just find questions that I know I can answer that speak to my expertise, of course. Say we were to answer the one for the entrepreneur.com, for example. What you would do is you would just click the answer button over here. It's going to take a few seconds. And then you can literally just write your answer literally like this. You have up to 2,500 characters, and then just click submit. It literally takes a few minutes. And then with the free plan on Featured, you have up to 3 answers per month just for free. I've personally done this for 2-3 months, I think, something like that. And I was able to land 6 pieces of coverage for totally free, Entrepreneur, Grid Daily, some pretty big publication, if you ask me here. So definitely would give this a try. Just check in here and there if there's submission that you can answer that you think you could really share your expertise. Do make sure to get those submitted. And then the way that this works is automatically if you are picked to actually get your article published, they actually pick you, they pick your quote, they will send you an email directly. But you can also check if it's been if it's in the in review, that means that you've submitted it. If it's in the selected phase, it means that it's been just selected by feature.com, but it doesn't mean that it will actually be published on the actual publication. If it appears in publish, it's been published. But if it's in selected, it doesn't guarantee for sure that it will be published. Don't get your hopes up directly here. But when it is in published, congratulations, you've been submitted and you've been chosen here. So yeah, definitely recommend using featured.com. It's been a pretty good platform. I'm not affiliated with them anyway here. And you'll see that over here, they do have a few other cool things as far as getting bylined article, interview profiles, and they even have a lot of perks where you can save 30% on QuickBooks, HubSpot, and a bunch of other cool things. So yeah, definitely make sure to check them out if you want to get some free press hits definitely try to submit like a few things every single month. I'm sure you'll get lucky if you just keep at it. And then, yeah, hope this video was helpful. Again, my name is Zachary Bernard. I'm the founder of We Feature PR. We specialize in getting clients in the press, podcasts, and TV by utilizing your media connection. If you're interested in getting in publications, podcasts, or anything like that, feel free to reach out to our team or just head over to our website, www.wefeature.com. And yeah, we'll speak to you then.